Are you tired of missing out on Memecoins hype, where tokens skyrocket by 1000%, 10,000%, or even go as high as 100,000% in a day? By the time you try to buy on DEX like Radium, Jupiter, the coin would have taken off, making you to miss out. In today's video, I will be showing you how to trade meme coins effectively using the Bonk bots so you don't miss out on potential profits. So guys, let's get started. Okay, for those that don't understand what a Bonk bot is, a Bonk bot is a trading bot that operates on Solana blockchain designed to help you trade quickly and effectively through Telegram. The first thing you need to do is this. I have my link here. I will drop it in the description. So check the link to make sure you're using the right link, because there are a lot of fake Bonk bot link out there. Please always take note of the links you are clicking to avoid being scammed. Okay, so let's get started. Once you touch this, it should bring out this message and tap on start. Then once this opens, you will receive a welcome message like this. Your wallet would have been created for you. Then you click on wallet. This is the wallet here. When you touch the wallet, this is your wallet address with a zero balance. Okay, then the next thing we need to do now is to export our private key. This. So once you touch export private key, are you seeing what they said? Are you sure you want to export your private key? Yes. One, you never share your private key. Please take note of this. Never you try to share your private key with anyone. I'll be showing my own private key here because of this video. Because I will not be using this wallet. I will just be creating this wallet because of this video. I will just touch I will not share my private key. Confirm. So once I touch it, it will open. So this is my private key. This. Understood? Now we need to copy it. Copy to clipboard. Then the next thing we need to do now is to go to Phantom. If you use Phantom or Soulflare, any of them is okay. Any Solana wallet is okay for this. For me, I'll be using my Phantom wallet. So let's go to my Phantom wallet. Sorry, if you don't have a Phantom wallet before now, it will ask you to create a wallet. You can actually go on to create a wallet. That should serve as your main wallet. Then you go over here. Here, I already have some wallet before now. So when you go over here, add connect wallet, you touch it. So you touch this. When it opens, you will see create wallet, you will see connect hardware wallet, you will see import recovery phrase, then you will see import private key, which you remember we copied our private key. So what we'll be touching now is import private key. Now they will ask you, the network is Solana. Then the name, I prefer writing my own because I already have a Telegram. I already named one of my wallets, one of my Telegram boot wallet, Telegram wallet. I'll be naming this one Telegram 2 so that I can be able to differentiate it. Meanwhile, I'll be deleting this account immediately after this video. Then the next thing we need to do now is to paste. You can see paste your private key. So once I touch paste, the private key will appear here. Then the next thing you need to do now is to import. Then the next thing we need to do now is to, if we check now, let me go show you something. When you go back to your Telegram, take note of the wallet address. The wallet address, see it over here. Ended with R. Ended with R. Then go back to your Bonk, the one you imported. Click on receive. You will see ended with R. So it's the same wallet. So just copy it. Go to your exchange, anywhere you want to get your Solana from. Now I'll be showing you how to withdraw from exchange. So I'll be using Bybit. I think I have a little Solana there. So let me just use it to show working. So let's head over to Bybit. And Bybit is trying to open the Solana, the little Solana. Okay, this is my Bybit. And I want to withdraw this $16 worth of Solana to that my BONKbot I just created. So the next thing I need to do now is to touch withdraw. What I want to withdraw is Solana. Let me be marking it so that you'll be getting what I'm saying. I want to withdraw Solana. Then, so the withdrawal address is the one I copied, the Telegram bot account that I created. So this is the withdrawal. This is the wallet address I will be using to receive Solana to the Telegram bot. But I be bot. Anyone, you already know what I'm talking about. Then the next one is network. The network is Solana. So once you've done this, the next thing you need to do is minimum withdrawal is 0.03. So, and we have 0.09. So we are good to go. I'll just touch maximum because I want to use everything. Then the fee, see the fee, they will be charging me 0.01 so to withdraw this Solana to my BONKbot account. So let's go. I'll click on withdraw. As I click on withdraw, I'll touch confirm. Then I'll go to my email to get a code. Okay, I've copied the link sent to my email. Then let me go to my Google Authenticator. Then I've copied the one to my Google Authenticator. Then confirm. Let's head over to our wallet address. Okay, now we have received our Solana in the wallet. So let's go to the Telegram bot to know if we can see it there. To see your balance, hold on, take note, we have 0 Solana here. Now, to check if our Solana actually entered this wallet, it's the same wallet. We already saw that he entered, but since this one is still showing 0, let's click on refresh. Touch this refresh button here. Anytime you want to refresh your account to check your balance and see how your coins are doing, you just have to touch the refresh button to refresh everything for you. So now let me touch refresh. We can see that the balance have changed to 0.082 Solana. Okay, now let's get started. Okay guys, the next thing I do once I create my BONKbot is to go to my settings. Can you see settings? This. Once you click on settings, you will see general settings, English. Just leave it like that. Auto buy, just leave it like that. When you come to this pillage, then this pillage is too high for me. I usually put my own on 5%. So you see it have changed from 10. I don't know if you saw what I did. Okay, let me let you take note of this. This one is 10%. I want to reduce the spillage to 5%. This 10% is too high for me. So, but if it's a coin that, like when you want to enter a diligent call where you need to be fast in buying the token, it's always good to leave it in 10% so that it can buy faster, but you'll be charged high. So let me change this one to 5%. When you touch it, it will ask you reply with the new spillage setting for buy in percentage. So I will just put 5. They come up, both of them have changed to 5. Can you see? Then the next thing is to ball, this one. But I like leaving it on top, but I don't like putting it on secure. So you just leave it that way. Then transaction priority. I usually leave it to medium. You can change it from medium to high or very high. So I prefer leaving my own on medium. If you put it on very high, they will charge you high Solana as gas fee. Now you can see medium is showing us 0.001 Solana as gas fee. If I put it on very high, you see it has increased to 0.005 Solana as gas fee. If I put it as very high, now see, very high, you'll be charging me over 0.01 Solana. So I prefer leaving it on medium. So you just choose what works for you. So that is it. Okay guys, now let me teach you how to buy your first meme coin using the bonk bot we just created. Okay, well first we need to copy the contract address. Now let's head over to the Dexscreener. I'll be leaving the link on the description. So make sure you copy the right link. Now let's touch the Dexscreener. When you touch this explore, you will see Solana, you will see Ethereum, you will see Arbitrum. These are all different networks on Dexscreener. This is BSC, that is Binance Smart Chain, Polygon, Optimism, and Sui, and the rest of them. But this is not why we're here. We're here for Solana BONKbot. So we'll click on, this is the one we came for. So we'll touch the Solana, it will open. Meanwhile, this is if you want to research on a particular project by yourself. Most times when people research on a project, they drop the contract address in different communities, different groups. So you can just pick contract address from there and just buy. But if you want to like pick a project, research about the project, then buy by yourself, you head over to your Dexscreener. Come here. Let's touch the Moondeng. This Moondeng. Here. You touch Moondeng. Once it opens, then this is the market cap here. The market cap is 162.5 million market cap. Then liquidity is 3.8 million liquidity locked. That key that is locked there shows is locked. You can see the padlock right beside it. They show the liquidity is locked. Then if you want to, any project you are researching on, you want to join their their social media handle. This is for this project now. This is their website. This is their X account, that is Twitter. This is their Telegram. So you can always go there to research, do your own research, check how the community is doing before buying any token. So always do your own research before investing in any project. So you just have to be very careful. Let's continue. Now to copy the contract address of this Moondeg, can you see this icon beside Moondeg? This one I just circled. Once you touch it now, it's copied. Address copied to clipboard. Once you copy it, you've copied the contract address of this token. Okay guys, let's continue. You remember we copied the contract address of Moondeg from the Dexscreener. So now we have to paste the contract address here. Once you paste the contract address, it will bring out all the information from Moondeg. Then what you need to click on is this. If you have one SOL, you just touch this one SOL, it will buy for you. If it's 5 SOL you want to use, you just type on this 5 SOL, it will buy for you. Then if you don't have 1 SOL, maybe it's 2 SOL you have, because the option is not here, or you have maybe 0.01 SOL, or you have 0.1 Solana to buy, Because it's not here, or you have 10 Solana to use and buy, and because it's not here, what you need to do is this. You just to touch this buy X so. XO means anything, if either is 0.1 or 0.01 or 10 Solana or 100 Solana or 1000 Solana. It depends on you. So what you need to do now is to remember our balance is 0.08, so we won't be going higher than this. So the next thing we need to do is this, to touch the next thing we need to do is to touch on buy XO. So once you touch on buy XO, it will actually reply with the amount you wish to buy. That is from 0 to 0.8, because that's what I have here. Assuming I have maybe like 10 Solana here, you what to be saying is reply the amount you wish to buy with 0, then in bracket they will write 0 to maybe 10. So example, they'll give you example to type 0.1, but I don't have up to 0.1. So what I will do is to type, let's use 0.05 to buy this month, then 0.05. Once you type it like this, then you push it. Transaction sent. Just wait for the confirmation. You see where they said if the transaction is slow to confirm, please increase the spillage. So we won't be doing that. The one we'll have is okay. So now, swap successful. It bought 52 Mundeng for me with 0.05 Solana. So you can see that. And if you want to sell this, you still know what to do. Once maybe the coin you bought have already done well, you want to sell to collect your profit, to collect your capital, or to collect some profit and leave some to be going, all you need to do is this. Is either you click on sell 25%. This 25% meaning from that, let me assume you have 52 Mundeg. Don't want to sell everything, you want to just sell some portion of it. Here, if you just sell 25%, or you sell, if you want to sell everything, you touch sell 100%. But if you want to sell maybe 50%, but because 50% is not among the option they gave you, maybe you want to sell 30%, 40%, any percentage you want to sell, all you need to do is this, to touch the X, sell X%. Once you do it, touch it. Once you touch it like this, it will ask you reply with the amount you wish to sell from 0 to 100%. Because I don't need this account, I just created this account for the purpose of this video. I will be selling everything to collect my small bonk back and put it in my own wallet, and I'll be deleting this account. So let me touch sell 100%. Thank you. It was nice doing business with you. You're about to sell 100% of your moon deck for around 0.05, so it didn't even increase in price. Chai, price impact will be. So what I will do is confirm. Transaction sent. Swap successful. So they just brought out for me that I lost 0.827%. You see what I'm going through for teaching you people. It's fine. So guys, that is it. Remember, though the key to success is always doing your own research and staying cautious, it's exciting to be part of the meme revolution. But always invest wisely. Never risk more than what you can afford to lose. Stay safe, guys. Stay cautious, and let's ride this wave smartly. Together, we'll cash out big. So guys, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a like. Please subscribe to help my ministry to be able to be posting more videos for you people. Thank you guys.